Good morning and happy Valentine's Day. I have a few errands to run today, so I just thought I'd bring you guys along. I've got my pink berry leggings on to celebrate, but I'm gonna hit the gym first and then we'll see where that takes us. I'll see you there. Paul got me roses last night to skip the busy day of store lines. Isn't he the best? So I'm at Target because my dad asked me to buy him heart-shaped cookie cutters because every year he makes my mom dinner. But with the cookie cutters, he does not make cookies. He uses the shape to cut fruit out of it for her, and so like he'll like cut watermelon, or like he'll get strawberries and he'll like cut roses out of it, which he got mad at me one time because I ate the really big strawberries that he was gonna make the roses out of. But anyways, yeah, look at these shelves at Target of Valentine stuff. Everything is gone. I'm too late. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and see if they have any there. If not, we still have one at home, so hopefully he won't be mad at me. Wish me luck. Alright, so I'm at Bed Bath & Beyond and I just picked up Paul's Valentine's gift. We don't really give each other stuff anymore because we've been together forever and we think Valentine's is like any other day pretty much, but I got him a sleep mask because he's been asking for it, so I hope he likes it. So Dad found the cutters. I know, but I'm telling my friends, my subscribers, the whole story of me running around looking for the cookie cutters, and then you found them at home. What are you gonna do with those?
Rolls.
Wow, he even labeled this. What? Don't eat because I ate them last time. Let me see your rose.
Hả?
Sure.
Cho nó tách ra nó mới thấy được cái hình cái rose. Được không? Hả?
Wow. Are you so proud of yourself?
Yeah, bố làm mà.
What did you bring me?
Burnt spaghetti!
Yum! I can't really see it, but I will show you. Thanks! A sandwich for me from Burnt Crumbs. If you've never been to Burnt Crumbs, you should try it. It's in Irvine by the Irvine Spectrum in the Los Olivos Center. And I got a burnt spaghetti. It's basically grilled cheese with spaghetti inside, so let's take a look. Oh yeah! What you doing now?
Trying different things, but we're gonna butterfly a little bit of this one. Throw it in there. We're gonna sous vide our fillets today. This one's kind of dumb. I tried something different. Don't like it as much, but it's okay. We're gonna sous vide these steaks. Every year we cook at home for Valentine's Day because I don't like crowds and I get a little anxious when we go out, so Holly has allowed us to have dinner at home. So every year we go to Costco, get the filet, and then she'll usually make either veggies, or this year you're making the antipasta, which is kind of nice. So yeah, we'll show you what we actually have, and then our outfits are usually, well, I'll just show you. Might have to
watch it.
Yeah. Have to hold like professionally too.
No, that's a beautiful glass.
I know. It's beautiful.
Aww.
My mom. I hope she's coming down. I'm just kidding. It's for you.
The heck? Just kidding. We're having a pre-dinner glass of vino. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Love you.
I love you.
That's good.
Are you coming?
What's up, y'all? It's your boy.
So if you haven't noticed, we have fancy tops on and pajama bottoms.
I always say whatever bottoms, but
Yeah.
you always say pajama bottoms. It was the same diff, too.
Let us know down in the comments what you like better. Whatever bottoms or pajama bottoms, because that's...
Yeah,
That's
do you
not-
like whatever bottoms or pajama bottoms? This is what, our 7th year or 6th year? 6th year.
Thumbs up
For what?
for pajama bottoms and comment for whatever bottoms.
So you don't want any likes on your video? Is that what you're saying?
Stupid.
Because you know who's gonna win this. You're gonna get like 1,000 comments and 0 likes. Anyway, it was 6th year together? No, well not, this is our going to our 7th year. We're May is 7. But Valentine's Day, this is what? Our 6th Valentine's Day?
I think so.
And what do we usually do?
This is what we do. We make steaks at home, and
You have to tell them what kind of steaks, because filet is not...
mignon.
Mignon. Egg mignon. And from Costco, because it's cheap. $15.99 a pound.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, and then she usually cooks something on the
Aside. This year I made antipasta.
Yeah. And then next year we're making uncle pasta.
Yeah. So yeah, this is what we do. We wear fancy tops.
Yeah. Whatever
Pajama
bottoms.
bottoms.
And then we have a glass of wine. Okay, or actually not a long time ago because you weren't old enough. But can I open my gift?
Yes.
Okay.
I
So,
wonder what it is.
got a gift this year. And I can't see what it is. Literally. Just kidding. Bucky, 40 blinks. So I can't see that. I gotta use my forearm for this one. It's a sleep mask. I've had trouble. Oh, it looks like a it really does look like a bra. Okay, let's try these on. Hold down. Glasses. What is it like Zorro? Oh, look.
Looks like you're wearing a bra.
Well, you know what? Okay, well, I'm gonna try this tonight.
Now you're gonna be like Andrew.
Except his are like double D's, mine are like double A's. Anyways, so we're gonna try these tonight, and I'll let you guys know how
We're
it is.
actually doing the bird box challenge.
Yeah.
kidding.
So, anyways,
Let us know what your Valentine traditions are.
if you got them, if you don't have them, you don't need one. They're overrated, anyways. Anyways, see you guys